Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make high-protein oatmeal cookies. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Measure 2 cups rolled oats, 1 cup vanilla protein powder, 1 TSB baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Whisk 2 eggs, 1/3 cup honey, 1/4 cup melted coconut oil, and 1 TSB vanilla in another bowl, then combine. Fold in 1/2 cup chocolate chips, scoop, and bake 10-12 minutes. Choose a protein powder that suits your taste and dietary needs, like whey or pea protein, and stick with a neutral or vanilla flavor for best results. Measure oats and protein accurately to keep texture consistent, and use 1/3 cup liquid sweetener so cookies stay moist without spreading too much. Fold in mix-ins like 1/2 cup chocolate chips, nuts, or dried fruit to elevate flavor and texture while keeping protein high. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipe collections and grocery lists in the kitchen, with a glare-free display and long battery life. It fits nicely on a counter while you bake and keeps instructions handy. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Scoop cookie dough into evenly sized mounds about 1.5 inches high so each cookie bakes evenly and stays chewy in the center. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10-12 minutes, watching for golden edges while centers remain slightly soft, then cool on a rack for 10 minutes to set texture. Store cooled cookies in an airtight container for up to 5 days, or freeze individually for quick protein snacks that thaw in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.